At the edge of tropical North Queensland, rainforest and reef meet in perfect harmony. Welcome to Thala Beach Nature Reserve, built on a historic coconut plantation that lies in between Palm Cove and Port Douglas. Once a working coconut plantation, the land has now been restored and is home to bird life, wallabies, and nature is allowed to thrive. Today, the resort's eco-friendly bungalows sit high up in the treetops, giving guests the ultimate view of the Great Barrier Reef and the Daintree Rainforest, which is just over the horizon. However, the resort's best feature, in my view anyway, is the incredible split-level pool with multiple waterfalls and this incredible view. Just incredible. Look at that. And this is the very top of the pool here. Just down there, there's private beach access, and we'll go there in a sec. But shower. And this is the access here to the main pool. There's this area is actually wet, but let me see if I can step into it without falling over. Oh. Yeah, it's actually like there's a little bit of water. I'm not entirely sure what function it serves other than maybe overflow. These are some of the huts down here. This is some of the accommodation down here. Hope no one's staying in these. But some of them are really deep down in the rainforest, quite secluded. If you're willing to pay an arm and a leg, you can get one with 360 ocean views. Not me though. Probably not the best footwear. Oh. Well, we're approaching where I'm staying in the cheap seats, if you will. But it's quite nice actually. Like every room is exactly the same. Same layout, same size, except the more expensive ones have that ocean view or kind of rainforest view, where the most affordable options are on the rainforest floor as such. We've had an amazing sleep since we've been here. It's completely like blackout blinds. Dark, just so nice to get a proper relax if you haven't had one for a while, like me. Hello there, friends. Hello.
Sitting here stationary once I'm in motion.